Welcome to TechMania, where we explore the latest gadgets, smart technology, and products that help you make better buying decisions. If you're looking for an affordable all-in-one desktop that keeps your workspace clean and simple, you might be wondering if this 24-inch Full HD all-in-one computer is actually worth buying. Is the Intel Core i5 processor powerful enough for everyday work? Is 8 GB of RAM enough? And can the 256 GB SSD, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3 deliver a modern desktop experience? I've added a link below where you can check the latest price, discounts, and availability. This 24-inch Full HD all-in-one desktop computer combines the computer, display, speakers, webcam, and connectivity hardware into a single desktop design. That means you don't have to deal with a separate computer tower sitting underneath your desk. The centerpiece is the 24-inch Full HD display, running at 1920 by 1080 resolution. This gives you a spacious screen for everyday tasks such as browsing the web, working with documents, attending online meetings, watching videos, and managing multiple windows. Powering the system is an Intel Core i5 processor. While the exact i5 generation can vary depending on the configuration, the Core i5 branding places this machine in the mainstream performance category. For everyday activities such as web browsing, Microsoft Office-style productivity, email, video calls, online learning, and general multitasking, an i5 class processor provides a solid foundation. The processor is paired with 8 GB of RAM. Memory is particularly important when you're working with multiple applications at the same time. For example, you can have a browser with several tabs open, a document editor running in the background, and a video call or music application active without needing to constantly close programs. If you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to give the video a quick like. It really helps the channel. Storage comes from a 256 GB SSD, and this is one of the biggest everyday upgrades compared with traditional hard drive-based desktops. An SSD allows Windows and frequently used applications to load quickly, helping the computer feel more responsive during startup and everyday use. The 256 GB capacity gives you enough room for Windows, productivity software, documents, photos, and frequently used applications. For users who primarily work with cloud storage or external drives, it can also provide a straightforward starting point. The system comes with Windows 11 Home, giving you Microsoft's current desktop operating system and its modern interface, multitasking tools, security features, and built-in applications. Connectivity is another strong point. This all-in-one supports Wi-Fi 6, which provides modern wireless networking capabilities for compatible routers. For everyday users, that means faster and more efficient wireless networking in a suitable network environment. It also includes Bluetooth 5.3, allowing you to connect compatible wireless accessories such as keyboards, mice, headphones, speakers, and other peripherals. The integrated privacy protection webcam is particularly useful for people working or studying from home. Having a webcam built directly into the display means you don't need to purchase a separate camera for video calls. And the privacy feature provides an additional way to cover the camera when you aren't using it. The all-in-one design is arguably the biggest practical benefit of this computer. Instead of buying a monitor and desktop tower separately, everything is integrated behind the screen. This makes the setup especially appealing for smaller desks, home offices, bedrooms, reception areas, classrooms, and study spaces. You simply position the display, connect the necessary cables, and you have a complete desktop workstation. Compared with a traditional desktop tower, the all-in-one design gives you a cleaner workspace with fewer components. Compared with a laptop, the larger 24-inch display provides a more comfortable desktop environment for long sessions, while you can still use a wireless keyboard and mouse for a clean setup. For students, office workers, home users, and families, this type of computer is particularly practical. If you've been searching for the best affordable all-in-one desktop, 24-inch all-in-one PC, Intel Core i5 desktop computer, best desktop for home office, Windows 11 all-in-one PC, or budget desktop computer, this configuration is worth considering. With its 24-inch Full HD display, Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD, Windows 11 Home, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and integrated privacy webcam, it brings the essential features of a modern desktop into a compact all-in-one design. And if your priority is a clean workspace with a large screen and straightforward everyday performance, this type of all-in-one PC makes a lot of sense. Thanks for watching TechMania. If you enjoyed this review, Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and buying guides, and I'll see you in the next video.